The future of computing isn't coming. It's already here. AI is driving density beyond limits, redefining what data centers demand, and exposing a simple truth: power without control doesn't scale. AI and accelerated computing are rewriting the rules. Power densities are outpacing air, and liquid cooling isn't emerging. It's becoming foundational. Performance alone is no longer enough. It must be reliable, repeatable, built for scale. At ACT, we've never separated performance from responsibility. For decades, we've solved thermal problems where failure isn't an option and precision isn't negotiable. Because breakthrough performance only matters if it can be delivered consistently. That's why ACT is expanding US manufacturing with intent. A new 50,000 square foot facility dedicated to cold plate production for liquid-cooled data centers. Designed for control, consistency, and alignment, with planned capacity to support over 500,000 cold plates annually. And that is just the start. ACT is designing the future of data center cooling and engineering the scale to support it. ACT, designed to scale. US manufacturing expansion now underway.